How to bake pumpkin pie. Christmas is right around the corner, so what better time is it than now to make a delicious pumpkin pie? Let's get started on the ingredients. A bowl and a whisk, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. We used fresh ginger, but I'd prefer to use ground ginger. 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, 2 large eggs, a 15-ounce can of pumpkin, a 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, and lastly, a 10-inch pie crust. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Thoroughly mix your dry ingredients together in a small bowl. Vigorously beat your eggs until they are nice and smooth. Dump the pumpkin inside of the eggs and mix it well. Now add in your dry ingredients. This part is super easy because the pumpkin just gobbles it all up. Now mix in your evaporated milk. Now clean up the sides of your bowl with a silicone spatula. Now pour your batter into the pie crust. If you have any leftover batter, feel free to pour the rest of it into some mini pie crusts. Now place your pie inside of a tray. Putting the pie in a water bath is optional. Put the pie in the oven for 15 minutes. After your pie has been done baking for the 15 minutes, Flip your pie around and put it in for additional 40 minutes on 325 degrees. Ta-da! This is our finished pie. Ours has a crater in it, but that is okay because all pies are different. Roll the cinematics! Thanks for watching us bake pumpkin pie. We hope you enjoyed. We'll see you all next week. Bye!